Black cats weren't always spooky. In ancient Egypt, cats, including black ones, were sacred and believed to bring good luck. But by the Middle Ages in Europe, superstitions grew. Some thought black cats were witches' companions, or even shapeshifters. That's why they became Halloween icons. Today, black cats are loving pets, not omens. In fact, many shelters say black cats are less likely to get adopted, just because of old myths. This Halloween, remember, every cat deserves a loving home, and black cats bring as much joy as any other.